Hello, I'm SWS Kelly from UT Star Wars View.
Hello, I'm Lid from Taiwan. 你好吗?
Rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight, falling like when you're out of sight.
Rain follows me, even in my veins, and rain is the dress that I shed.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is like a winter time.
But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Sweet dreams when you're near, knowing we can't even touch. Rain knows that I love you so much.
But I know my love will only cause you pain, so I'd rather live with the rain.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine or mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It's just like winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. This day is like a winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Thank you.
Thank you. You're also thank you.